Hi friends, if you have a YouTube channel and have been struggling to grow your YouTube channel, this video is for you. I'll be showing you a tool which I have been using to reach my right audience, and this tool is called TubeBuddy. I'll be showing you how the TubeBuddy functioning is, and by using the link below you will be able to access TubeBuddy features for free for 1 month. So do check out the link and go and try the tool. It's an amazing tool. I'll show you every function what is there. So TubeBuddy is a Chrome extension, and that's the reason you see on my YouTube channel it comes and shows up here. This is the icon for TubeBuddy, and once you download TubeBuddy you will be able to see this in the settings. Okay, once you click here on the settings, you see here extension. Once you click here, and in extension, this is where TubeBuddy can be. Since it's a Chrome extension, you'll be able to see this here. I have already given my access, and the access is given through Google account. That's the reason why TubeBuddy is seen here. Okay, now once I click on TubeBuddy, so this is my YouTube channel, and you can see I am on Legend license. Okay, so this is the keyword explorer. Once I click here, whatever video I'm making, I just need to enter the keyword. For example, buying house in Canada. And once I click here on explore, okay, so you see here it shows me the overall score, and it also shows me the search result. Now let me go and click here, buying house in Canada for image. So this tool is automatically helping me to improve the score so that I can reach greater audience. Isn't it great? So you see here, once I change the topic from buying house in Canada to buying house in Canada for immigrant, this overall score has improved significantly from what it was earlier. And here on the score analysis, it shows what kind of search volume it has. So it shows the competition. That means if I make video on this, I will be able to reach audience better, and I will be able to optimize the video. Okay, now you come here, common tags. Once I click here, this gives me all the common tags which I can use for my YouTube video, and it's a very long list. Okay, see here this entire list. So whatever is relevant tag for my YouTube video, I will be able to go and pick that up. So it says real estate has a lot of search when it comes to tagging. Life in Canada is, again, you see it's very high, and as we go down we will be able to see the volume. So this is one thing. Now coming to the result, when I click on the result, it shows the popular YouTube. Okay, so it shows the top ranking in search, the channel which comes, and then it also shows where I stand. Then it shows the list of channel which has made these videos. Okay, so it's a long list. I will not go into detail. This has been helping many other YouTubers. So this is one thing which really helps. Okay, now it also has few other features which are very interesting. I'll show you one by one. Let me close this. SEO Studio. This again is a great tool. Once I click here and say I enter the same keyword, that is buying house in Canada, and I click start, it shows that my title description should have the keyword what I'm targeting, okay, in the title description, and then I can go and start filling up. And as I keep filling, it shows the SEO score. Okay, and once I come down, it keeps showing me how I can improve the score. Include your target keyword naturally in the title. So right now it's all blank. Once I keep filling, it will start changing the color here, and if it is in green, it is good. Okay, so this is one great way to optimize. Coming to the tag, I had shown the tag. Once you start importing those tags, okay, you will be able to go and you just need to select, and you see here it shows the scores. Okay, so it can be buying house in Canada, buying house in Canada for immigrant, and whatever your target audience is, you can go and check this out. Coming to the thumbnail, it shows the popular videos and how they have made their thumbnail. It's all good practices. So at one place you get to see what the other YouTubers are doing. Okay, and same thing goes to apply. Once you have done everything, you will be able to save it. Now if you come to the thumbnail section, thumbnail, you must be already aware, this is what attracts people to come to your YouTube channel. This is the gateway. So here they have given tips like use bright colors and high contrasting images, include a close-up of human face, ensure text is large enough to read on any device, use fonts, color, shapes that are consistent with your brand. So these kind of tips is making you and ensuring that you're doing all the right. Okay, so this is SEO Studio. Once click magnet opens, okay, so once click magnet opens and I click get started, it start processing the data, and let's wait. Here you have four different things. Power ranking, if you want people to watch more of your videos, create content they cart. Then there is an element inspector. Okay, what is driving the click, then what are the click-through rate opportunities and the advanced analytics. Okay, so let me click here, and you see here when I click on the power ranking, it shows what kind of videos my audience is like. Okay, so that way we both are bridging that connect. What they want and what I'm giving, both are connected. Okay, and you see here it shows the strength. Okay, very high, very high, very high, and how people have been clicked. So this is a great tool. There are a lot of other features here, and I will not go into detail. You can go and play around with this, and you will, I'm sure, like this TubeBuddy. So do go and use this. Check the link in the description. Do use that so that you get that 1 month free trial, and that way you will get to grow your channel better. Thanks for watching.